Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Kajabi Community. This feature allows you to build an engaged community around your brand or content, creating a space where members can connect, participate in challenges, and interact with you directly. Let's walk through setting this up step by step. First, open your browser and head to kajabi.com. Sign in to your Kajabi account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard where all your tools and features are accessible. Next, look at the left sidebar menu on your dashboard. Click on Products, and you'll see an expanded menu appear with several options. From this menu, select Community. This is where all your community-related settings and management tools live, and it's the central hub for building your member space. Once you're on the Community page, look for the Access Group submenu and click on it. Access groups allow you to control who can see and participate in your community. At the top right of your screen, you'll see a button labeled Plus New Access Group. Click on it. A prompt will appear asking you to enter a name for your community. Choose something that reflects your brand or the purpose of the group, then click Continue to move forward. Now you'll be asked to set a price for your access group. Kajabi gives you the option to create either a free or paid community depending on your goals. For this tutorial, we'll select the free method, which is perfect if you're just starting out or want to maximize accessibility. Once you've made your selection, click Save and Finish to finalize your access group. You'll now be directed to your community page, and this is where the real fun begins. This is your home base for engaging with members. On the left side panel, you'll find all the features you need to create a dynamic experience. You can add challenges to keep members motivated, set up meetups for live interactions, view your leaderboard to encourage friendly competition, and schedule posts to maintain consistent engagement. To personalize your community further, click Add Cover Photo in the middle of the page to upload a branded image that represents your space. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.